training. Hold on, i-share ko muna to sa sa original ko na account kaya baka hinahanap ako ng mga tao doon. And I'm not there because I was reported last Saturday. Tomorrow pa 9 p.m. So I'm using your share. There. Baka hinahanap ako ni Harry Bells dun. That's what I do if we say goodbye. To be is all I gotta be, and all that I see, and all that I need this time to be the life you gave me the day you said goodnight. Anyway, alright. So, nagpost ako kanina, diba, ng Go High Level na crowdsourcing. So, it's first 500. I mean, every batch is 500. It's a free webinar from AHA Innovations. I will be there as well. So, they will be introducing you the platform. And after that, I'll be giving the access to the platform. Para after nila ng introduction, you know now what to do inside the platform. And hopefully, actually, I'm gonna give it earlier. Kasi ang tagal pa. Feb last week pa. Yung open nila na. Opo. February last week pa ang opening nila ng slot for webinar kasi medyo busy sila. But, I already have the access. So, my other option is si Harry. Pero 300 lang ang makakapasok sa akin. Pero much better as well na papasok din kayo dun sa webinar ng AHA Innovations as well. Kasi platform nila yun. They can explain very well. You know, they can tell you very, very much more than ako. Diba? Harry will train you guys how to use the platform, how to leverage the platform, and then it's up to you if you will subscribe to the monthly subscription for the platform. Hindi libre ang Go High Level platform, guys. Libre ang training, pero ang platform never siya magiging libre. Okay? Ang perks lang, if you're going to use my access, my link, meron kayong 50% na discount sa monthly subscription. Now, not all of you will subscribe because not all of you will decide to go through. Baka some of you might feel this is too complicated for me. Ganun. But those who are getting the edge, nakakaintindi paano galawin, how to leverage the platform, it's your choice if you will go ahead or not. Now, there are two options ng free platform. Yung 14-day na basic or yung enterprise na 30 days. So, I suggest na mag 14-day muna kayo bago kayo pumasok dun sa 30-day na enterprise. But who knows? We'll see. I don't want to overwhelm you guys. Kakausapin ko pa si Harry kung kailan siya ba vacant kasi hindi matutuloy yung schedule sa 31 na stage 5 kasi konti lang sila, hindi umabot ng 50 yung ready. Not all of the trainees are ready to comply with the requirements ng stage 5. So stage 5 will be canceled. So the 31st is vacant. Either we will go ahead with Go High Level with Harry, or I'm gonna open batch 9 ng VA Fundamentals. For the English Com Skills Training, kakausapin ko pa yung session 1 na trainer if okay na ba yung connection niya. And if not, yung session 2 na trainer yung papasok, which is Friday. This Friday. It is 8-hour training, 6 p.m. to 2 a.m. Um, 6 a.m. to 2 a.m. It's a very rigorous training. May specs ba sa laptop ang AHA? Ang Go High Level kasi maraming, siguro sa basic platform, siguro kaya lang yung mga i3. Pero who knows? Try ko. I have a laptop here na i3. Kung gagalaw siya, pwede. How am I? I feel better. What pisses me off last Saturday is okay naman talaga ako. Like, I'm fine going on with the training last Saturday. But, nag-message yung trainer na wala nga siyang internet. Hindi sumipot yung internet service provider nung Saturday. Hindi rin sumipot nung Sunday. So, wala siyang internet. Second is, ang daming nag-cancel ng registration. Like, what the fuck? Do you expect me, for example, there are 300 registrations, and then, let's just say, more or less, 50 yung nag-cancel. Do you know how hard it is for me to find your emails and cancel it manually sa Zoom? You're giving me extra job. If you're not committed, why would you register? And alam niyo kung anong mga reasons most of the time is hindi pala sila available. Like, what the fuck? Why would you fucking register? The link was sent that fucking day. I mean, the registration form was posted that day kasi alam ko, based on my experience, pag pinost ko siya ng mga 2-3 days earlier, talagang malaki yung chance na mag-change ng schedule yung mga registrants. This is the negative side of offering trainings for free. Ang dami ko nakakausap na trainer, they don't want to do it. Why? Naaabuso. Because it's free. Guys, don't make me. May nagsuggest sa akin na you will be paying for the registration, i-refund lang kung mag-a-attend ka. Because you are giving these people, my trainers, ako, ng extra job. For what? For fucking what? May nagsuggest talaga na pabayaran mo na yung registration, i-refund mo na lang pag nag-attend sila.
Ayaw kapon, pero kanang mo cancel, di man ina pangan din nakasuda lifetime.
There are so many of them pa. I don't have time.
Ako, I have time.
There are so many of them.
Kada na yung cancel, tigha.
Ang daming nag-email talaga ng cancellation. Para bang sila lang yung nag-register. Yung parang sila ilang... Do you know how many messages I get every day? Emails, DMs, and I have 3 fucking platforms, guys. Yun din yung nabisit ako nung Sunday. Kaya ko naman talaga. Pero nung makita ko yung maraming emails na i-filter out ko, nawalan ako ng gana.
Gini kana ini mismo sa training ana pero may atay mo access. Pero mo ato cancel.
Di man po ka, madugay mo magsugod pa ka, magmanually lagiin pa.
Sigurado na walang cancel. Hindi na sila. sila, pangitag-average na kung mag-anak. Inconsiderate na sila. Unprofessional.
And next month, mababawasan na yung every Saturday natin na training. Hindi na ako available every Saturday next month. Kasi may mga LGUs na dito sa Bohol na nag-reach out sa akin for face-to-face training. So, kung malapit lang, like, 15 minutes drive, 20 minutes drive, pag uwi, I can do this training.
Dili, yapon paway.
Sabi, no daw, sabi niya ko kasi yung papahinga. Pero,
Usado po na sila.
parang, ang dami ko talagang, ang dami ko talagang nakakausap na ano, na, tawag dito, the hell? Ang dami kong tagakausap na mga trainers na nagbibigay ng free training before but they stopped because they were abused. Pang dagdag trabaho ba na mag filter out ng mga cancellations. Like, I appreciate my moderators for creating the form, for making sure that everything is aligned, pero hindi namin ma-filter out yung cancellations, and I don't have time for that. My mods don't have access for the cancellations, ako lang. And what if there's hundreds of cancellations? Libre kasi. Walang commitment kasi libre. Walang commitment kasi libre.
Laripan mama, ako kung nahilang tagaan ako extra siya. Ano sila pang pagutay. Ako na yung balik na sir.
Dumadami na kasi yung people. Like, so dumadami na. Ang saya ng buhay namin nung mga nasa 5K followers pa lang yung blew up last month. And unfair naman kung lalahatin ko yung mga buwisit. 'Di ba? So I keep contemplating, 'di ba? Ang dami nag-a-ask update. Wow, parang nakasubscribe ka? Nag-iisip ako kung paano walang extra na trabaho sa part ko ba. It's not my job to filter out cancellations. It is not really part of my job to filter out cancellations. Face to face, face to face, ante, tapos live ka. Mamimiss ka namin, huy. Stage 1, paunahan sa stage 2, stage 5, records approved. Sayang. Yan nangyari sa isang coach, ante, free training but taken for granted. Mag-security deposit na lang yun, tas ang mag-gather na funds sa charity ni mo, ante, mag-deserving hatagan nga mga gamit nga maning kamot. True. Cancellation happens because they don't read the instructions comprehensively, or they just take it for granted. Kasi pag free kasi, wala silang hold, like there is no responsibility.
Why commitment?
No, there's no commitment.
Pwede kang commit, pwede di.
Like, Kiber, hindi na mo kilala ni ante. Ganun. So what will happen to me? What will happen to my mods? What if wala ako and then yung mga trainers ko yung may access? What if I am in a face-to-face training tapos yung mga trainers ko yung may access? 'Di ba? Nakakahiya. Libre na nga sila.
Wala ba? Tinulungan na nga kayo. Kayo pang
I can't count how many cancellations doon sa English Com Skills training.
ilang weeks na ano yung dapat kiniklear nyo ng schedule nyo sa araw na mismo.
Pinost ko talaga yung form pa. The morning ng training, 10 a.m. para sure sila na makakapasok sila mamaya.
Mga ganit. Iba naman sila anong napita na night training.
Kasi I tried posting the access couple of days before. Ang daming cancellations, change of plan, something happened, which is, may malaki silang ano ba, may malaking chance na mag-cancel. Yun kasi is I posted it the same fucking day.
Oo, sa to pa, kaya po sila na nag-on yung gabi. So, ilang break na lang.
Mm.
Ikot ka to kung the day after na, so, ilang hours ng training. Kung nag-live ka ba, baka ma-report. Ilang hours ng training, alawan training, post after.
Tapos si Uncle din, si Uncle din, already did Vicky. Si Uncle din, hindi din, ayaw din niya, dagdag din sa part na trabaho niya. Uncle is out of this, out of this initiative. This is mine. Uncle has the GCash. So, sorry. Uncle has the, yung payment method. So, kung magre-refund, it will be Uncle's job. And how many refunds will it be? 100 plus? And how many hours would Uncle, do the refund? Tsaka manual pa yan kasi yung numbers nasa form, itatype pa ni Uncle sa phone niya for refund. It's very matrabaho.
Masakto lang yun ang mamari 2 hours before sa training sa i-post access.
Sabi niya I registered on that form the same day, an hour ago, pero walang reply for confirmation if naka-join. Wala talaga, ma'am, kasi canceled. I was sick. Actually, I was already sick Friday pa. Tapos sabi ni Uncle, mag-training ka ba bukas? Tapos Saturday came. Tapos sabi niya, mag-training ka? Sabi ko, sayang kasi stage 2 na to. Nag-aantay yung nag-stage 1. Tapos, nung Sunday, kahapon, sabi niya, but daw hindi ako nagpre-prepare na may English Com skills? Sabi ko, kinancel ko. Hindi ko kaya. Hindi ko kaya yung number of cancellations.
Yung pabuti na akong magaling, wala nang training, wala nang anti.
Aki, assessment or not, if it's free, they have no commitment. They're not obliged to be respectful.
Yung naso, yung kumulaban. Ano ko sa mga ikasapot na nagkita. Ang gurma, ang i-trainer. Mag-andurog tao. Walang
There is no questions of auto kicking. There's no question of they cannot join again. But the trabaho of filtering those people is just too much. sumasakit yung ulo ko. Tulungan niyo ako mag-isip, be. What's the best thing to do? And you also have to make sure na hindi madadamay lahat. Kasi if may mga buwisit, you cannot damay everybody. Who else? Megan. Saglit lang ha. Send ko lang to. That I need you so. For this is all I know. I'll never go far away from you. Charge everyone. Huy, kawawa naman yung mga walang pera, day. Kawawa naman yung kahit 50. You know what? Imagine niyo sa laptop drive. Okay? There are 23k people sa group. Tapos, naghahanap kami ng 40 people na mag-ambag ng 50-50 para makaabot sa funds. Na may nag-ambag ng 5k, may nag-ambag ng 3k. Hindi pa rin nakaabot. Isang buwan na mahigit. May nag-ambag ng 500, 100, maraming 50, which is, yun naman talagang hiningi, 50. 50 from 400 people. But yun nilang imagine ninyo. And we cannot say that they're being, walang pake. Baka wala lang talaga. Nothing. Na-try ko na yan, ma'am, i-post 2 hours, 1 hour yung yung link, yung registration. Hindi pa rin papasok lahat. Refund the attendees per reason within the week. Malaki pa ba kulang sa laptop drive? Mga 6K-ish na, ma'am. Second hand naman, ma'am. Second hand. Pero kung bibili ako ng second hand para kay Jacob, gusto ko gusto ko, what do you call this? More than 16 gig na yung RAM. Um, Basta, yung matagal magamit ni Jacob. Plus headset pa. Tapos malayo kasi yung lugar ni Jacob. Shipping yung nakakadagdag din. Sok Sargent, somewhere in General Santos.
Mura lang isla na subsurgeon.
Mahal ang shipping pag gadget sa LBC, yes. Kasi parang may 10% sa amount plus shipping pa. Kung magbibigay naman lang tayo kay Jacob, kahit second hand lang, at least malakas na yung kaya na yung mga mabibigat na platform, mabibigat na app, magbigay-bigay ka tapos hindi naman pala magamit ni Jacob. Make sense? Kaya 20k talaga yung budget. Shipping pa plus convenience pa kasi mag-uutos pa ako ng tao. Hindi naman kasi akong lalakad niyan. Excuse me, ako na nga tapos ako palalakad. Wala na refund. Jacob is one of my trainees na basta basahin nyo na lang yung post andun sa group. Hanapin mo sa group, ma'am, Bobo to VA. Naka-pinned yun, nasa featured tab. Alam niyo kung bakit ayaw na ayaw ko yung suggestion niyo kahit gustong-gusto niyo magbayad? Ha? I don't want to break my promise. I have no plans. I have no intentions in whatsoever way to break my promise. Ang isipin natin paano nyo mapapagaan yung buhay ko with the cancellations without breaking my promise. It will never be my intention talaga. Block na ilang email. Block email, cancel their emails. Possible naman yan, pero every training na lang magka-cancel ako. Every training na lang. Other side, what do you want? It's very matrabaho. Ma-forfeit ang purpose ang reason mag-ibuhat ang training antisa. Kaya hindi ko kayo hindi ko ini-entertain yung mga suggestions nyo na bayad, willing magbayad. Not interested. Isa pa yan, bayad sa Zoom. Nag-extend ako ng number of attendees last Saturday kasi ang daming hindi nakapasok pa. Monthly yung bayad sa Zoom. It's not about kaya kong kitain. It's not about that. If you don't know the reason why I'm doing this, go find it out to Blue Up. Email block. They can use a new email. Guys, everybody can create a new email and then register again. It's useless. Blocking those people, it's useless. They can create another email. Ang daming di nakapasok last Saturday. Inextenan ko na nga yung yung seats. Tapos pa, may go high level pa. Collaboration with AHA Innovations. Tapos mag-register kayo dun. Tapos nag-promise ako sa kanila na 500 seats. Tapos ilan lang yung pumasok. 'Di ba nakakahiya? Like you're dragging my name to the mud with you guys. Now I don't know what to do anymore. One thing is for sure, the trainings will not stop. Ang sinasabi kong I don't know what to do is I don't want more work on my end. The trainings will always be there. But to minimize the workload ba? Manual entry. It's just too much. Okay lang kung 10 na email. Tapos hanapin ko pa. I have so many emails every day. Imagine niyo, I have so many emails every day. Hanapin ko pa isa-isa sino yung nag-cancel. So, for example, I have 500 emails. Maybe after 10 emails, hanapin ko yung... alam mo yun? And I don't do that shit. Hindi ako admin person. And I cannot give my moderators my personal email. No. Para i-filter nila. It's not that I don't trust them. It's just that it's my personal email. Tapos wala silang sweldo dai. They're volunteering. And then, hindi lang, ang dami pa nilang inaasikaso. May mga GC pa sa mga old trainees na kinikater nila everyday, mga questions. And bibigyan ko na naman sila ng trabaho. No.
Abusado si Antia.
Doesn't work that way. And if you had a minute, why don't we go talk about it somewhere only we know? Isipin ko. Paano ko ma-filter tong mga hayop na to? Alam mo yung mga nag-online selling, may bayad na ngayon, 'di ba? Yung magmamine, tapos mag-ship na, hindi pala tutuloy, mga ganun ba? They don't know gaano katrabaho yan sa end ng person na binuisit nila. They don't know. Those simple things, where have you gone? What do you mean? It's all mura naman. 248. 198. Pwedeng mag-volunteer. Pwedeng mag-volunteer one of your mods, ante. How many mods do we have, Caleb? Four or five? Four. Hi, Ben. Five kasama ka. Huy. Mm. I don't know, Papa. Wala ko na ito. It's almost 10. Can I have ice cream, please? Ayan na lang. Ayan, ice cream na. I'll eat ice cream and...
Pagkuha ka, pakistorya na nila.
Awayin kayo niya, uncle.
Okay. Pausado na niya sila. Kayo ba? May isang ano lang ako. May gawin yung inspirasyon si Robert. Gayahin niyo si Robert. Hindi na kayo nahiya sa tao. Robert. Walang alam si Robert sa computer. Meron man konti. Pumasok sa training, nag-last hanggang end. Doon niya sinabi. Alam mo kung gaano ang taas ng respeto niya kay auntie dahil doon? Kahit hindi siya marunong, nagstay siya dahil yung eagerness niya na matuto. Asa yung respeto niya kay auntie sa libreng training. Kayo mga nagka-cancel, before kayo pumasok, sana sinet nyo yung mga schedule nyo. Dala mga gilaon nyo.
That's my food.
I know. Respeto na lang ba kay auntie or sa ibang trainees din na papasok sana hindi nakapasok dahil ikaw yung nauna. Tapos nag-cancel ka lang. Isipin mo kung ikaw nasa kalagayan ng iba, hindi ka nakapasok dahil napuno na yung slot. Tapos nag-cancel. Di ba?
Papa, kupal is kupal. We can't do anything about it.
I know.
We have to do something to filter those kupal out of my trainings.
Huwag niyong hintayin na once a month ko na lang yung training. Oo, totoo. Alam niyo ha? Ito, sabihin ko sa inyo. Matagal ko nang gustong pahintuin sa auntie niyo sa training na to. Kaso hindi ko mapahinto. Most especially nung dumating na si Silver sa amin. Hindi ko siya mapahinto dahil ito lang ang isa sa mga bagay na nagpapasaya sa kanya. Tumutulong sa tao.
Ganun din naman ako. Kaya nga, sinuportahan ko siya. Pero kapag na-feel ko na inaabuso nyo na, hindi ko nga inaabuso to. Tangina kayo, inaabuso nyo.
Hindi mo kaya naman, di ba?
Abuso na yan. Ay, wag mo nang ipagtanggol sila.
Hindi mo ko inaabuso?
Ah.
Or inaabuso kita?
Inaalagaan ko ng mabuti yung auntie nyo para maganda yung takbo ng training nyo. Tapos abusuhin lang.
Ano magalat ka pa?
Na! Pagsalitain mo ako para hindi ako ma-high blood. Yun ba? Kasi hindi ko siya hindi ko siya mapigilan sa gusto niya. Kasi ano siya, masaya siya dito sa ginagawa niya. Alangan ba naman? Kukontrahin ko.
It's for silver to papa.
Kaya nga, mas lalong hindi kita mapapahinto dahil ginawa natin to. Ginawa mo to. Para ka silver. Tapos ganyan lang ang result. Ito na naman sa akin. Simple lang naman eh. Di ba? Simple lang eh. Di ba? If you want to be respected, you must respect yourself and others. Di ba?
There are so many people.
Hindi naman sa sambahin nyo yung auntie nyo. Respeto lang. Diba? At ito pa, tandaan nyo. Hindi ba kayo nahihiya? Yung tao tumutulong sa kapwa-tao. Nagpa-free training para matulungan ng ibang tao. Kahit hindi niya obligasyon, inuobligan niya yung sarili niya para makatulong. Di ba? Tapos, yun lang ang isusukli natin. Hindi naman sa nanghingi or si auntie or ako ng in return. Pero parang common sense naman yun, di ba? Di ba? Common sense yun eh. Pag yung tao, inuobliga tayo, natulungan tayo, inuobliga niya tayo kahit hindi niya tayo obligasyon. Parang common sense na natin na obligahin din natin yung sarili natin, nabigyan siya ng respeto. Di ba? Or obligahin din natin yung sarili natin na kung ano yung gusto niya or sa mga instruction na susundin natin, di ba?
Papa, you can force people to be good.
I know. But I feel disrespected. Kaya ngayon ko lang nalaman na marami pa lang na-cancel. Hindi siya nag-ano sa akin kahapon. Kasi alam niya ma-high blood ako. Sabihin yung tama ako. Di ba? Nakaka-disrespect yung ganun eh. 3 hours or morning pa nag-post na ng ano. Tapos nag-register ka. 3 hours before magsimula yung 5 hours before magsimula. Nag-cancel ka. Bakit ka nag-cancel? May-ari ka ba ng 3 kumpanya? May problema yung kumpanya mo? May kalawang na yung dingding ng kumpanya mo. It's a form of disrespect. Sa part ko. Hindi naman sa nanunumbat ako ha. Ayun, hindi naman sa nanunumbat ako. Ba't kaya ganun ang tao ha? Tayo na nga ay yung tinutulungan, tayo pa yung ganyan.
That is just how it is, pa.
I know. Kaya nga sinasabi ko, hindi naman sa nanunumbat ako. Ba't kaya ganun ang mga tao? Or tayo? Tayo na nga yung tinutulungan. Tayo pa yung parang walang utang na loob. Di ba? Oh. Sinasabi kong tayo ha, tayo namang lahat siguro ganyan eh. Pero tayo naman siguro lahat nakagawa ng ganyan. Ang iba lang siguro without even knowing na ganyan na ang ginagawa nila. Huwag niyong paabuti na sa susunod na Sabado ako yung magte-training sa inyo. Ng right manners and right conduct.
Si Mercy. Ako na, Pabi. Out na. Thank you.
Nota mo pa, abos mo, papatay yung utak mo na sila lahat. Tapos ba?
No, I will never let them abuse me. Kaya nga nag-iisip ako, di ba?
Hindi ako abuse ni. Wag mama, wag. Wag
Wala,
ako.
wala nga.
Wag ako.
Nanisunog pa.
Sige na raman. Kinsa lang pwede sunog ni Pran-Pran eh.
Mas hadlok si Uncle kaysa ni mo. Aron pa. Pero ini-emphasize lang naman niya yung
Hindi, nagagalit ako.
ini-emphasize lang naman niya yung supposedly wrong. But the truth is, we cannot change these people. They exist. They balance the world.
Mao gani. I know.
So instead of focusing on these idiots, we find ways on how to filter these idiots without payment involved.
Magtulungan
So gamitin nyo
kayo.
yung mga brain cells nyo dyan. Paano natin gawin to?
Oh, magtulungan kayo.
I'm serious. These idiots are existing to balance the world.
Kung wala sila, sino nang mautosan ng mga matalino? Kung wala yung mga tanga at mga bobo.
Solution ang hanapin, not focusing on those idiots. So, mag-brainstorm kayo. Interview muna. Dagdag trabaho na naman sa akin. Again, guys, yung hanapin nyo na solution is parang magagaan yung ano ba? Gagaan yung buhay ko. Sino may may VA tayo? We already have 5 VAs na nag-chat sa akin. Dalawa sa Blue App, dalawa sa TikTok, 3 sa Blue App. Hello, Sian. Mag-volunteer ako mods, ante. Kontakin mo si Kuya Ben. Kung papapasukin ka ni Kuya Ben. Ang hirap. Ang hirap ng trabaho ng mga mods. Masungit yun si Kuya Ben. Huy. Tumigil nga kayo. 'Di ba sabi ko, find solution without involving payment. Yun, bayad lang talaga yung naisip niyo, wala na iba. Hanggang doon ang inabot ng mga brain cells niyo. Ha? Visible po ba ako tambay o saglit kulit kasi ni Caleb? Robert, mag-aral ka. Auntie, thank you. Bakit Jay? VA ka na Jay? Ante si Robert nasa biyahe sa Grab pero yung tracker pa din iniintindi niya. Kuya Robert, mag-drive ka Kuya Robert. Pag nag-drive, mag-drive. Hindi pwede mag-multiple client pag nag-grab. What the fuck? I mean, di ba? Multitask pag nag-grab. Anong problema mo, Mira? Second client na ako karon lang gid. Yay! Wow, second client. Nice. Again. Going back to the topic. Maghanap kayo ng paraan na ma-filter out itong mga hinayupak na to without involving money. Without involving more work for me. More workload for the mods. Kudos to you, Jay. Ikaw naman nag-execute sa mga tinuturo ko. Reconfirmation deadline. That's good. Ibalik yung process sa bootcamp. Ang link sa TikTok. It works, Ma'am CK, before. Nung konti pa lang yung trainings ko. But I have lots. I have GHL, I have ChatGPT, I have SMM. I want to be organized. I don't want to do impromptu trainings. Impromptu, links. Dawat og kasaba kay bugo man. Huy. Annie, we did that. They will still cancel. We did that. Gawa ko new group, no? I-dissolve ko yung old na group kasi parang marami nang pumapasok doon naman hindi naman mga aspiring VAs parang nagbebenta naman sila doon. No? bigyan ng matinding task para makapasok, no? Good. Gumagana yung mga brain cells nyo. Nice. Tapos bawal mag-post na naka-anonymous. How about that? Bawal mag-post na naka-anonymous. No? Tapos bawal gamitin yung mga dummy accounts. Yung mga kagagawa lang 1 month ago. No? Good. Gumagana yung mga utak nyo. Nice. Ilista nyo yan. I mean, the questions would only be from the from the free resources. So, kung hindi ka nagbabackgrade, di ba? Gumawa talaga ako ng Facebook para dito. I understand those people. I myself, I don't like blue up. I don't like blue up. Ayoko ng blue up. Anong papalitan? Wait lang ha. Ayusin lang ako. December? What the hell? Yes po, dapat hindi username lang. Dapat complete name. Tanan para masort. Di full name FB. Pero lahat ng trainings ni auntie natin din ko. I have integrity. O, diba, blooming? Yan din, oh. Ganito. Isa din yan. We don't have to single out, you know, real names, dummy accounts. Because I myself, I hate blue up. I really hate blue up. So, it took me some time, took me a while na mag-active dito. And I understand people na who are hiding themselves from social media because of relatives. You know, peace of mind. So we can't single them out. So another problem. How are we going to help those people na makapasok? That's new. Send government ID upon GC entry. Uy, government ID. Kagawin ko sa government ID nyo. At matatawagan kayo ng home credit. Push nyo yan. There are people who are using dummy accounts because of their dummy relatives, dummy family. So, unfair naman sa kanila. Ang mag-cancel ban agad tapos kung di makasunod ang format upon generation. Di ba ang dami yung suggestion, no? Pero ang hirap yan gawin para sa akin. Isipin nyo muna yan. Ang dami yung suggestion tapos mabigat naman para sa akin. Somewhere only we know. Do we have doors? We don't have doors here. Okay, got it. Wait lang ha. May papalitan lang ako. Oh, simple things, where have you gone? I'm getting older, I need somewhere to rely on. So tell me when you're gonna let me in. Saglit lang, people. Relax your ass. Mag-brainstorm muna kayo dyan. Yan ang mahirap sa ginagawa ko. You think it's very easy lang kay ante. Very strong si ante. But ante nyo is very tamad. And ante nyo is ang daling ma-piss off. What the hell? Pa. Wala na pala akong, ano day, wala na pala akong ice cream na hayop. Ako taga-interview, pwede ka na ma-stress. Huy. I think the easiest way to filter the participant for workshop this is the same with the training sessions. Why? Ay, yung pinaka yung very, 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 very strict. Kawawa naman. Diba, naawa na naman auntie nyo. Ba't ka naaawa sa mga hinayupak, Auntie Bells? The way po ba, that way po ba it was cancelled? Present not that time. Ma, marami kasi, I need to schedule everything, okay? Hindi lang isa yung training ko. Dumadami yung nagbo-volunteer na mag-training. Maintindihan nyo? Gustong gusto ko man gawin, same as, before, na, ganyan. I want to be organized as much as possible. I don't want to end, mangangapa. Intindihan nyo? Chill lang kayo dyan, ah. I'm back. Di ko alam sa atin, auntie, or nag-backread ka po. Too much work. Iwasan niyo yung too much work sa side ko. Bali, bibigyan niyo naman ako ng maraming trabaho eh. Pinaisip po nga kayo dyan. Naku, kukunti yung trabaho ko. Bigyan niyo naman ako ng maraming trabaho. What the fuck? Why? Why, oh why? Oh well, oh my baby please. Ang bobo nila pa. Why kasi kayo bobo? Why kasi kayo bobo, people? Ay, tama naman pala to. Pero, off ang pricing. Ay, hindi pala coded ang email. Ibang trabaho na naman. Dagdag trabaho na naman. Ante. Okay lang dito, magdagdag trabaho ako. Pinabayaran naman ako nito. Like, I can make reklamo. But that's fine. I am fucking paid more than the job actually. But apart from that, what the hell do you want? Oh. Akala ko may naghahanap sa akin. Ako lang ba? Pag tumutunog yung mga email, tumutunog yung mga chat, naiirita. Especially if you're if you're a retainer, work with time tracker, you work level sa lahat ng mga kasama mo kahit foreigner sila. Tapos bigla-biglang, the hell do you want? Ganun. Nairita ako. Buti na lang walang meeting dito. Meeting what? I-cancel pa. I-move ang reporting tomorrow kay guba ang system. Di kami maka pull out ng information. Hindi updated yung system. Something's wrong. Tama naman mali. Mali ng iba. Tatrabahuin ko. Okay lang. Bayad naman. Kung nakakairita pa din. Saglit lang unahin ko to. It's just so annoying. Ante, okay, mamungi ang COE ka 3 months ang contract mo, busy na lang. Kung bigyan ka, bala ka sa buhay mo, why not? Kung bigyan ka, go. Kung hindi ka bibigyan, that's sad. Sometimes late at night, I lie awake and watch you sleeping. She's lost in peace on trip, so I turned out the light, let her in the dark. Hala, mani. Dan da da dan in the morning. Would she ever doubt the way I feel about her in my arms? If tomorrow never comes. Buti lang, copy-paste lang to na hayop. Pero, trabaho pa din. Would you know how much I love her? Did I try it every way to show her every day she's my only one? If a picture paints 1,000 words, then why can't I paint you? Copy-paste, tas magkamali pa din. Tanga-tanga na talaga. The words would never show. Last 5. Kailangan i-double check. For you I come to know. And when na 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 do 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 If a picture paints 1,000 ships, then why can't I paint you? again. Hui. Wearing older faces. Talk about the places they've been. Two old sweethearts fell apart somewhere long ago. How are they to know? I-double check pa, tama naman. Of course, double check pa din. Someday we'll meet again. Never need for more than reminiscing. Maybe this time, is this correct? It'll be love and they'll find. Green though. What the fuck? Tracy, what have you been doing? Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life. Pa, why are you silencing me and then you let the silingan sing? Karon pa ko naka-realize.
Na,
You said shh, and then you let the silingan sing, and then they don't even sound human.
mama. Anak, saan to sila nga ang toko?
And it feels so right. Maybe this time.
Ito makihag, toko. Bayar na lang, isuot sila halaman.
Oh, ang
Nakakatong hindi, bundak tinungod.
love won't end.
Hindi pwedeng ikihag, kinsay mo to, bundak sa silingang yabag.
Mo ba?
Kung naay balaon na nga na, kana si Rizal Angbore.
Di ba na siya rin rehis pa. It's the same old feeling back again. It's the one that I had back when. What did they copy? Ayan, wala na, ADHD pa more. They were too young to know when love was real. But somehow, something never change. And even time has improved the flame. It's not saving. Oh my God, it's not saving. Ay, thank you. Nag-effort ako nun ah. It's burning even brighter than it did before. Nag-effort ako nun ha, tapos hindi siya magsisave. Nahayop na. Got another chance. What are you eating? My snacks? And if they take it, maybe this time it'll be love and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time. Nasa Blue Up. Nice imong mic, ante. How much sad na? Nasa Blue Up, ma'am. Don't talk, Papa. Don't comment. Just shut up. Love won't end. Ante. Auntie what? Nag-reco ka din ng pangkilay. I don't think so. I added it. Did I add it there? I forgot. She's smiling like she used to smile way back then. She's feeling like she used to feel way back when they tried. But something kept them. Loading na hayop. Ang gigigil ako ah. Ante, pa requests. Huy, ginawa mo naman akong 5-5. The fuck?
Ikot ng palikod.
Ginawa niyo naman akong 5-5 dito.
Ito na yun yung anten nito. KTV ba?
Ginawa nila akong 5-5 pa. My God.
Yung nalahan yung anten kay Jis na.
What the hell? 386. Tama. 641. Tama. 301. Tama. 301. Tama. 121. Tama. Tama. 591. 169. 422. Tama. Perfect. Very good na. No! Agod eh. Shit. I thought I'm gonna redo it. I thought you're gonna do something. What the fuck? It's the same old feeling. Ay! Amaw. Hindi ka na galit pa? Hindi ka na angry?
Galit ba ako?
Kinda.
Nagagalit ba ako? Hindi naman ako nagagalit. Nagsasabi lang ng totoo. Yan tayo eh. Pag yung tao nagsasabi ng totoo, sasabihin nagagalit. Pag yung tao tumutulong sa kapwa-tao, sasabihin pakitang tao.
What the hell are you talking about?
Ganyan naman talaga tayo eh. Diba?
Pa, katos ang likod pa, B. Katos ang likod pa. My God, it's very katul. Ikaw ta.
Noon,
Tell them what's our struggle pag ganitong pinapakamot kita ng likod.
buong likod niya pinagpakamot at hindi pa rin alam kung saan banda yung kinakamot ko. Ang inang to.
Pa, you're not hitting it.
Hindi ka naman nagsabi kung saan.
I don't know. Ganyan ako ka-dyslexic. I don't know. Example, magpapakamot ako late.
May sasabihin na, noon, nung
Noon,
kabataan ko,
noon.
o nung high school pa ako,
Uy, wow.
sabi ko, ang saya maging Pilipino. Pero ngayon, nakakalungkot maging Pilipino.
Why?
Dito lang sa Pinas, kumuha ka ng valid ID. Ang requirements, valid ID. Di ba? Kung hindi ka ba naman isang malaking tanga,
Sabi, uy, mata ng bata. This should be...
ako naman magpapatulong.
Like, seriously, guys. Ganun ako ka-dyslexic. Ang kati-kati ng likod ko, pinapakamot ko sa kanya. Pero, pinapakamot ko sa kanya. Hindi ko alam kung saan banda yung makatiday. I can't point it out. I really can't point it out. Kaya nagagalit siya. Kaya buong likod na lang yung kinakamot niya para safety. For sure, in atuon ka pagpahilom ni Uncle. Hindi. Nagsukmagay mi day. Pa, what do you do to shut me up?
Ha?
Pa na magyaw-yaw ko ba? No. Mulaya siya day. Mulaya siya. Matulog sa gawas, yeah. Bloom Rich Exponia SAS. Supply chain particularly what? Kasi magalit pag di natumbok yung Makati. Pero di mo masabi kung saan Makati. Diba? Hold on.
Oh, pwede ka na. Isikop mo ko.
Oh? Hang on.
Naman may GC ako sa vlog yung si Bra.
I mean, how sure is it?
Naman siya yung vlog eh.
Na-prove? Was it already proven?
Isugod ko umuupo sa lamasan.
And then gidakop. Logistics. No. Pero naay mo sikreto nakadaan sa gawas. Mo sikreto na nakadaan. Nakaandam din sa gawas.
Sikreto lang alam mo.
Pa, I want to be sure people. So, are we able to are we able to figure out the way na how to best do this? Ano nga yung Ano nga yung suggestion nyo kanina? Ano yung suggestion nyo kanina? I create we create a new group and then give them matinding task before accepting members. No dummy account. No, hindi pwedeng walang dummy account, but ganito ha, if you are using a dummy account, you know, personal preferences, give us another proof of your existence. Like blooming. Are you still there? Blooming. Yeah. So you, for example, you are using a dummy account sa Blue App. How would I know it's you? Mame Dayan. Ma'am, you have to take the the audience na plus 18. Government ID. Huy. ID anti o kaya video call. Ay, dagdag ng trabaho na naman sa akin. Gamitan ko link mga 10. Upload an image holding an ID. Huy! Tapos kinabukasan, tatawagin kay home credit. No! You're only thinking about the trainees. How about those who are joining stage 1? How about those who are joining English Com Skills? How about those who are joining Go High Level for the first time? How about those who are joining SMM for the first time? Paano natin i-filter yun? Ang English com skills is perk lang yan sa stage 1 and 2. Yeah, pwede din. Pero unfair naman sa iba. Paano ba? Tita, sabi ng kapitbahay mo, adik ka daw. Yun lang alam nila? Upload selfie with timestamp. Uy. Pag-upload ng selfie, ante, na mods lang makakakita. Magdugang man lang siguro kag mods, ante, na mo-filter sa mag-join para magaan imong work. Oh, sino aside from Jinky, sino magbo-volunteer na magmo-mods diyan? Kontakin nyo si ano. Ang dami ah. Kontakin nyo si Kuya Ben. Si Ben Murilla. Kontakin nyo si Kuya Ben. Tapos, pag-uusapan, ipa-finalize natin sa GC yung yung next steps. Kasi malayo pa naman yung Saturday. Alam na ang gagawin ni Kuya Ben dyan. Kuya Ben and team. Ben. Tapos, i-finalize natin sa GC. In addition, GGG4. What's GGG4? What the fuck? Was supposedly be replaced by sama ni sila oy. What's an error? Are you wanting to ensure that the dressing table chairs featured on the email? Saglit lang ha, parang hindi, teka lang. Hindi ko na ito naintindihan yung mga hayop na to. Ano ko sabot nila pa? Paungon ko ng computer ron.
Ay,
Ano ko sabot nila ha?
ay.
Ano ko sabot ang nila gyud? Ano ko sabot ha? Sabot na nila, paungon ko ni Ron. Ganito ako guys, pag hindi ko maintindihan yung mga kasama ko sa work, i-off ko yung computer. Last chance. Last fucking chance. I'm pissed na.
Ano din ang mama?
Wasa lay klaro sa ilang gusto sa kinabuhi. Ila ko nga mga amungon. I'm getting pissed. Like, I'm really getting pissed. Naagi ma-off-ron na kuan. Naagi ma-off-ron nga computer. Tanawa. Goodbye. Walang mag-work. I'm super pissed. The fuck? These idiots. Can't make up their mind. Tapos ano? Best in paulit-ulit. What the fuck? They can't make up their mind. Ano yung binabisit nila? I'll use this, B. I'll use this. I'll use this. Pag mali pa rin to, it's not my fault anymore. Tingnan. Wala na. Sapot na ko pa. These idiots can't make up their mind and then they're pissing me off. Paulit-ulit, paulit-ulit. Copy. Paste. Copy. They're really pissing me off. Bilisan mo mag-reply, hayop ka. Sir Ben, real estate, medyo inahanda ang sarili. Kilster. Mag-reply kang hayop ka. Ang bagal mo. Four 97. Pag hindi ka pa rin maayos, off ko talaga tong computer, promise. Visit ako na hayop. Hell? Pag hindi ka pa din nag-update. Ay, salamat nag-update na. Ay, salamat Lord. Ina na hayop ng mga bobo to. Alright. Kaya kita naman sa TikTok. Anyari sa isang account mo. Nireport na naman. Just now. In-stock ko na sila. We'll get ready na malapit na ako kumpos ka sarili ko. Uy. Kuya Ben, where is, Ronnie? Can you remove Ronnie from the GC? I haven't heard from him. Diba, MIA? Can you remove him, please? Tapos pag-uusapan din sa GC ang plan. And guys, thank you so much for staying sa TikTok live. Magpo-post ako sa Blue App kung ano na pag-usapan namin. Ha? Aawayin ko itong mga kasama ko sa work. Nanggigigil ako sa kanila. Magpo-post ako. And I'll let you know. Ha? Sige na. Bye for now.